Do you often work late at night so your eyes starts hurting? Or do you have often issues falling asleep? Well, Flux might be a solution for you. Hey guys, this is Greg, the founder of Your Inception. Welcome to my channel where we cover advanced productivity, life hacking and sleep hacking, tips, tricks and strategies to help you unleash your true potential. If you're new here and interested in hacking your performance, then consider subscribing. I've been using Flux for several years already, and at the beginning I wasn't really sure if it helps or not, but then after a couple of weeks of everyday's use, I figured out how valuable Flux can be. So, what is Flux actually? Well, it's basically a software that you install on your laptop or on your computer. Before it was impossible to install it on your smartphone, but nowadays most modern smartphones have their own solution for that kind of stuff. I'll tell you more about it in a bit. So once you install it, what does it do? It automatically adopts the color of your screen based on the daytime. So if it's early in the morning, your screen will look more orange, during the day it's gonna look more blue, and then in the evening it's gonna look more orange again. And if you're gonna work on your computer or on your laptop late at night, it's gonna be very, very orange. Like, well, more than this, like super orange. By the way guys, do you often work late at nights? If you do, let me know in the comments below. So I guess you're wondering, why would anyone want their screen to be changing the colors during the day? Well, there are three main reasons for that. First of all, if you're used to working late at night, then your eyes will definitely hurt less if your screen looks more orange. Secondly, you'll have fewer issues falling asleep because blue light actually decreases the production of melatonin, which is a sleep hormone basically. And the orange light will minimize this effect. So if you work late at night, you definitely don't want to be surrounded to too much blue light from your screens like your TV, your smartphone and so on, because you're gonna have issues falling asleep. And the third reason is that your work on computers will become more enjoyable. You can definitely trust me on this one. Now let me show you on the computer how the app actually looks like and how you can get the most out of it. Alright guys, so let me show you how Flux looks on the computer and what kind of settings to use, so just to get a better idea of the software. So first of all, you can find Flux here up in the corner. Here it is. You can click on the preferences and here's kind of at the main panel. So what you can set up, well, basically you have basic features. You can just use the classic Flux or use the custom colors. It also, depends on the location where you are, so you can use far from the equator, or in case you're gonna work late, you can use this feature. So basically, what do you do here? So as you can see now, the color of the screen is changing. So that's the most orange that it goes, and here is the blue. So right now it's daytime here, it's about noon. So that's why here the automatic setting is, you see, the sun is up and it's basically as blue as it goes. Here you can change the settings as from when you usually wake up. Then that's how the screen will look like at the sunset and at the bedtime basically. And you can change those colors or those settings manually, or you can just use the classic settings. I usually go, it works a little bit slower. I use the custom colors usually. That's what I prefer the most. So here is set up when you usually wake up. I have this at 8:30. Of course, I don't wake up at 8:30. I usually wake up at 6:30. But what I like in the morning to have a little bit more orange color. I don't know. I just work better on it. Then you choose your location. I'm right now based in Europe, in Slovenia. You can use San Francisco. You can use Los Angeles, whatever you want. And then you have you can start Flux at login. That's what I recommend, so it automatically start working from the moment you turn on your computer. And that's kind of the main thing. What else do we have? If we just have a look again, you have certain options. Nothing useful, or nothing that I would use on a daily basis. Of course, you can have sleep in on weekends, fast transitions, and so on. One option that I would recommend you is this one. You can go under color effect. There you have the movie mode. Whenever you watch a movie on your computer, if you do this, of course, then you can choose this movie mode. And what's gonna happen is usually people watch movies in the evenings or late in the night, and of course you don't want your screen to look too orange, right? I mean, that's obvious if you're watching a movie. So you can just click on this movie mode, and basically the screen will immediately adopt the color. It's not gonna be like the normal blue color, but it's gonna look definitely less orange, as it should look orange if you're gonna work late at night. You can of course disable for an hour until sunrise, or for full screen apps, but that's, again, I don't use it that often. Alright, so much about Flux. Alright guys, if you want to dramatically improve your performance and productivity, then you should definitely check out my new handbook that I prepared especially for you. There's a link below, click on it and you can download it for free. Alright, so much about Flux. If you want to read more about it, there's a link below, check it out. And if you want to download it, it's free. So just check it out below, click on the link and you can start using it immediately. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to improve your cognitive performance, if you want to boost your productivity, don't forget subscribing on this channel, follow Your Inception on Facebook and Instagram, and I hope to see you soon.